lot of times when people come into a new town, they'll go visit the Harley-Davidson and hang out, look at the bikes, stuff like that. Buy some t-shirts off the clearance rack maybe. And anyway, when you're all done, what do you do after that? Well, here, one thing you can do is go visit a little place called Solomon's Castle. It's about an hour out, and we're going to go ride to that. And I'll try to document the ride as we go. All right. Hey, this is No Gas. Thanks for dropping in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'd like to invite you to come along with us as we ride to various motorcycle destinations in Southwest Florida and throughout the United States. Sometimes solo, other times with friends. If you're a current subscriber, thank you. If not, please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost a thing. Okay, we're going to exit Bert's Black Widow Harley-Davidson and turn right onto Florida 776. And this is where we make a left onto Enterprise Drive. This is the route we're going to be taking today. At the bottom of the route is Bert's Black Widow Harley-Davidson, and then the next marker up is a little run that I call the Tail of the Lizard. We'll talk about that later. Above that is Fire's Open Road Bar and Grill, which is a nice little spot to have a beverage, rest, have a snack or whatever. And then above that is Solomon's Castle. But right now we're going to cut through this industrial park and cross over US 41 onto Paulson Drive. make a left here on Veterans Boulevard. This is one of Charlotte County's roughest areas for traffic, so just stay on your toes. We're not going to be on it long. Okay, hang on there. We're just about out of this. We just get up here under the interstate and then past the Walmart, and it turns into Florida 769, and then things settle down a little bit. But first, I need some gas. Alright, we're coming up to junction 760, which is where we're going to make a right and go up a couple roads and make a left, and then we'll be on the beginning of the tail of the lizard. Okay, here we go. The tail of the lizard has about 9 turns on it. And I say about because one of them is just a little angle. I barely consider it a turn, but let's say 8 turns in about 4 miles. It's not much, but it's fun. Well, I just missed my left turn on Pierce Street, but I'll show it to you when we go by it. Okay, on the left is Pierce, and on the right is Owen. If we had made the turn on Pierce like we were supposed to, this is where we would cross 72, and that's what we're on right now. Okay, so once we hit 70 and make a left, heading west, we'll run into Fire's Open Road Bar and Grill. And it's just a little bar with snacks. It's not a restaurant, so but it's a nice place to stop, and you have to check it out. And here we are. All right, we made it here. Yeah, I can get some lunch if they have room. It looks pretty busy. Let's see what happens. Ticket prices. I think you go inside and you buy your tickets in the boat restaurant. I think it's called the Boat in a Moat. I believe that's where you get your ticket still. Yeah, I think there's a little sign here telling you so. There you go. Can't film inside the castle, so I'm probably not going to go in there. Hi. All right, it really turned out to be a nice day. Hey, I've already done the castle tour, and I would do it. It's really worth it, and I would also get like one of those combo packs. Yeah, I had a really good meal there. They had great service. I enjoyed the gift shop, looking around there, bought a magnet and a couple things, and yeah, so it's really worth it. Hey, if you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, see you next time.